So this world is called Kaboom. Basically, that is what this world is made out of. So, I'm gonna load it in survival and try and survive. And I don't know how this is gonna go, but it is wool, well, it is lava, and then wool above that, and then like 20 blocks for the TNT. Oh crap. See, there's a lot of TNT. I might survive actually. Huh. Yeah, the whole map is just red. I did not expect the TNT to be that far down. Huh. That is interesting. Certainly interesting. Oh, a village. Yeah, this is technically a grassland biome. Ugh. Who knows, this might not work in, like... Can I get on top of that house? Crap. Is there a church? Doesn't look like this one has a church. I don't know if it's gonna blow up or not. I really thought it would blow up faster. You know, maybe I'm just really impatient. Okay, I'm starting to think I did this. If I were to plop something down, that road would probably fall. Come on. I don't know if it's gonna explode. Crap. This isn't good. I wanted kaboom. Wanted some kabooms. But I'm not getting any. Huh. I don't know. I don't get it. Alright, so we will make this world go boom. I have an anvil, a bow. About to say I'm in creative. Why am I jumping up and down? Alright. That's the edge of the world, apparently. Let's go down here. There we go. Oh crap. I just remember. Alright, so I went back in creative and gave myself some arrows because seems that I forgot about that. Alright, so. Alright, run. Oh, yeah, it's going. Holy crap. I expected better. Crap, I did not want to fall in there. Oh, now the wool gets set on fire. Really? Wow. After I went through all that just to make it go boom. You know what? I'm gonna make a quick edit. Alright, this new world is a bit of a revision. And this thing is nothing but lava and TNT. And maybe a village. But it is a lot of TNT, so it might be a while. I'm gonna stop it here until it starts going, alright? Alright, so I am tired of this game not wanting to cooperate. So I'm just gonna go in with a flint and steel. Village, you might not live very long. Run! Oh, there's a giant hole behind me. I don't know if you can see that. I am literally running as fast as I possibly can without using a potion. Because I don't want to die. No. There's a little fortress house. I don't know if the hole is growing or not. What? Seriously? I think it stopped. I think it stopped exploding. I think it stopped exploding. What? Are you serious right now? So much TNT and yet it just refuses to work the way I want it to. I think it lagged out. Oh, there's a lot of fires down there. A lot of TNT on fire. I think it just lagged out. Yeah, it's a... Oh, no. Ha, the game's lagging too much. You can't hurt me, TNT. Ow, but Falls can. Ooh, okay, no. Oh, I heard TNT priming. Oh no. Oh shit. Yeah, that's what's happened. Oh, no. Ah! It is going just extremely slowly. Because there's too much TNT. And if you're one of those people like me who says there can never be too much TNT, I guess you get stand corrected. Ah, no, no, no. I just hear hissing noises everywhere. Try and get to that bedrock down there. No! Ah. Apparently I tried to swim in lava. Don't believe me, look, it says it right there. Oh wait, it did say it. Am I going in the wrong direction? Or is this the wrong village? I don't know, I guess I just expected better than that. Alright, one final attempt. Alright, one final attempt to make this world go boom. In the fashion that I want it to. Oh no. Oh, that's no bueno. Let's walk towards it. Logic. I think it diffused. Oh crap. Oh crap. It is not wanting to explode. Why? Explode! Keep exploding. Ugh. Ow! Forgot to load it in survival. Oh well.